Alright guys, today is Monday, January 22nd, and this is what you worked on today in class. Page 15 of the Order of the Phoenix, verbs, action verbs. You put the definition and an example sentence underneath. Linking verbs, same thing. And helping verbs, same thing. So we're going to go through those definitions again if you were absent today. You can print out the organizers that we used, that you're going to use for the notes today, and you can get this sheet tomorrow and color it in. If I have a blank copy, I'll go ahead and post that too, so you can print it out and get this done. All right, so the next sheet that we're going to do is this one, and this is attached to the Edmodo post as well. And we're going to fill this in, some of it anyway, and then we're going to place that right here on the left-hand side of 15. So it's the back of page 14, and we're going to fold it like this so that when you open it, it opens up all the way. Okay, so first let's take the notes on it so it'll be easier. And then we will fold it and put it all in. All right, so here we go. So this doesn't show the whole page, so we'll have to start like that. Now the first thing we're going to do is this Venn diagram down here is unfinished, so I need to just finish out that circle so that I have the common portion here between the two circles. Okay? All right, we're going to start in the middle here with a generic definition for verbs in this box. So verbs are a word that shows action or state of being. And now we're going to go to action verbs right here. And we're going to write down the definition of action verbs, which is the same definition you wrote down in the book underneath the action tab. Okay, so it expresses physical or mental action. Okay. Now there are two types of action verbs, physical, and that's actually what we can do physically, and then mental verbs, which actually take place in our brain, and we don't see them being done. So we're going to start with physical verbs like run, walk, jump, say, talk, go, smile, things underneath my page here. Smile, laugh, okay, eat, tell. All of those are action verbs and many, many others. Now, mental verbs take place in your head. These are words like remember, recall, forget, believe, hope, wonder, consider, expect, think, understand. Now there are some others, but those are the ones that I can remember right now. So these are anything that you can do in your head. All right, now helping verbs. Helping verbs, definition, helps the main verb show or express action or state of being. Okay. And these are added before main verb to create a verb phrase. Right, there are 23 helping verbs in the English language. So let's see if I can get a little closer and maybe a little clearer. There we go. So 23 helping verbs in the English language. And these are the ones that go in the center here between the two circles can be either linking verbs or helping verbs. So they are am, is, are, was, were, be, been, and being. Okay, and now the other helping verbs go over here on just the helping verb side. These are only helping verbs. Do, does, did, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, and must, has, have, and had, and I think that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. So 23 helping verbs. You need to memorize those. All right, linking verbs. Link the subject to a word that describes the subject. We call that a predicate adjective or a word that renames the subject. And we call that a predicate noun. All right, so these words, these can be these 8 words right here. These are linking verbs as well. And then these other are just linking verbs, but some of them can be action verbs too, so you have to be careful. There's a trick, and I'll teach you the trick. Appear, become, feel, grow, look, remain, seem, smell, sound, stay, taste, and turn. Okay? And those are linking verbs. Now the 4 boxes that you have left, the gerund in this box and then the participle in this box, we're not going to fill in right now because those are verbs acting as different parts of speech. So we're going to leave those blank. This is what you needed to have done tonight. Now, in your interactive notebook on page 15, where you have this sheet, On the opposite page, so page 14, the back of 14, we are going to glue this in. And we're going to fold it first and then glue. So we're going to fold it. Doesn't even need to be folded in half, just fold it to that crease. Okay. And now you're going to take down this back right here and place it right here so that when we open to this page, you can flip it open and you have your organizer, okay? But you also have these definitions on this side, okay? And that's it for the verb organizer. Put that up. I've also posted the expository notes that we took last week in a flipped lesson. If you didn't get that done, you could need to do that as well. And that's going to be on page 14 in your interactive notebook. It looks like this. And then you have the notes underneath for expository writing. Okay. So get that done. Make sure page 14 is finished as well. All right. That's it for tonight's homework. I will see you tomorrow in school. Have a good evening.